Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fudge cake. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 cups of granulated sugar. Also, have on hand 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and half a cup of vegetable oil. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Finally, you'll need half a cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of hot water or coffee. Now let's get to mixing. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. Make sure they are well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract until smooth. Then, slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix on low speed until everything is just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough cake. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, prepare 2 9-inch round cake pans by greasing and flouring them, or lining the bottoms with parchment paper. Evenly divide your rich fudge cake batter between the 2 prepared pans. Place them in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know they are done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once your cake layers are baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for a perfect frosting application. While they cool, prepare your favorite chocolate fudge frosting. Once the cakes are fully cooled, spread a generous layer of frosting on the first cake, then carefully place the second layer on top. Frost the top and sides of the entire cake. Garnish with chocolate shavings or sprinkles, then slice into about 12 delicious servings and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.